Oh my goodness. Hello everyone, my name is Steven and I am a first year dental student. One of the more common discussions that I see around dental school is the discussion of how much dental school costs, and it's an important one because we all have to lay a lot of money down on the line to go to dental school. So I wanted today to take a second to talk about what some of the expenses of dental school go towards. I am just starting my second semester of dental school here at the University of Tennessee, and this is our second semester dental kit in its entirety, and it is insane how much there is in this kit. But before I get into what is involved back here, I want to just explain what a dental kit is. Dental school is a very hands-on type of learning, and a lot of the time that we spend in dental school is spent in a lab learning the skills and the practices that we will use as dentists in a few years. And what this means is that we require a lot of equipment and materials and all sorts of things in order to get through these lab courses and to learn dentistry. And of course, none of that is given to us. We have to purchase all of it. Every semester we receive a dental kit, which includes a ton of different things that we will use in that semester and then also moving forward. And so each semester's dental kit is tailored toward the classes that you're taking. My two labs last semester were dental morphology, which was learning how to basically wax up teeth and learning what the anatomy of each tooth was. And then operative dentistry 1, which was basic cavity preparations. So our dental kit last semester, the biggest thing that we got was our hand pieces, which were a couple $1,000s. And those are the drills that the dentists use. And then a bunch of plastic teeth, and then typodonts, which are little fake mouths that we drill on. And so all of this, and then our waxing instruments were in the first semester. And this semester, our labs are occlusion and operative dentistry 2. So all of this that you see behind me is my second semester dental kit, and most all of it has to do with occlusion and operative 2. Based on what I'm seeing here, and obviously I haven't used any of this yet, and half of it, to be completely honest, I don't even know what it is. But what I can see from just looking at it is that we're going to actually start placing restorations in the preparations that we're cutting in operative. So when you cut a cavity preparation, when you drill a tooth to get rid of the decay, you then have to place an inorganic material in that space to fill it. And so that's what a lot of this is going towards. We have, I think, the materials to start doing amalgam fillings and then also composite fillings in this kit. Along with this kit, we have this big bag right here, which includes our articulators, and this is going to be for occlusion. Occlusion as a concept is basically how the teeth fit together when the person bites. So there's an ideal occlusion that we're looking for when we're looking at a bite. Most people don't have an ideal occlusion, and with orthodontics we can fix that. But we're getting into that a lot more this semester, and so the articulator is basically what we mount casts onto. A cast is basically a stone version of teeth. We take an impression and we then make a cast of that impression so we can see what the person's teeth or mouth in general looks like in kind of a physical representation in stone. So that is all in here. Of course, we have mixing bowl for mixing alginate for impressions, and just all sorts of other stuff. Like I said, I don't even know what half of it is, so it's hard for me to really explain it. I think the most important piece in all of this is this right here, which is a LED curing light. This thing, I believe, is $1,600. So gonna treat this like it's my baby. But yeah, I wanted to show you this entire setup because it's kind of insane what all you go into as a dental student and what all you require in your materials. Now, of course, from a financial perspective, like I say, this is one of many charges that we have. I think this dental kit was actually over $5,000. I'm gonna say $5,000 just because it's a nice round number, but I think the total was almost 5.5. But this is just one of the many things that we pay for. Of course, we also have tuition, which is much more than this dental kit per semester, and a couple of other things. So it's just an important discussion to keep talking about how much dental school costs and how we're going to get through that. And I wanted to just take this opportunity while I had it all here before I take it into lab to get working, and just to kind of show you like what it all looks like. Also, I hope this gives you something to look forward to if you are a pre-dental student. I know when I was a pre-dental student and I was looking ahead at dental school, I really didn't know what dental school entailed. And there were videos on YouTube, but a lot of them didn't really show you what exactly you get into as a dental student. And I just didn't understand what it was like. So I'm going to try to continue documenting this entire experience. And if you want to see more of that, make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. Also, quick apologies for my filming setup right now. I'm actually in between filming setups. So I've moved my desk and I'm putting up shelves and doing a bunch of stuff. So this is not the final look, but this is sort of where I'm going to be filming from now on. And I will be having a video come out about that soon. Just have to finish making it. But yes, everyone, this is my dental kit. I will be using all of this stuff as well as the stuff that I got this semester in dental school, and hopefully doing a lot of good work and getting some good grades. If you want to see more of what I do this semester, make sure, like I said, you subscribe, and also like this video if you enjoy what you've seen here. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see, if you have any specific questions about dental school or about getting in, just like literally anything. I've had some people recently that are starting to message me on Instagram and just like comment more often, and so I'm just getting a little bit more engagement, and there's just people who have questions and things, and I really love fielding any and all of these questions. I also just appreciate each and every one of you, and thank you for being here. If you're a new subscriber or old subscriber, I appreciate all of you. I love you all. That's gonna be it for me today. I'm going to now pack all of this back up into the boxes because I have to take it back to campus, and that's gonna be really tough, but we'll get through it. I will see you all in the next video. Peace out. Now we'll set to study now, and all this is in the way.